What's up guys, good morning. Today we're going to be putting on a Flowmaster exhaust. I haven't had the time to put it on, so we're going to get this put on today. This is for the 4-valve NPP exhaust. We're going to see how difficult this is to put on. I've never done that before. Alright, so first you gotta remove your license plate. There's two 10s that are under here. Real easy to access them. From there, there's a few 7mm that are under here, so I already got a few off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then another 5 on the other side. Inside. Charlie. It's a little tricky to get these reflectors out. Just know you gotta kind of go in through the edges on the sides right here. Put some masking tape and then you can pry in there and push them. That's the orientation of it. But you kind of gotta go pull one out and then hold it and then pull the other side out after. From there you can have access to two 10mm on both sides. Just gotta kind of muscle the sides out a little bit, but they come off right away. Alright guys, so you have the stock exhaust off. Before you do it, you gotta make sure you disconnect the valve right here on both ends. Just pull the little clip out and then push and pull it out. And there's two 13mm bolts holding each of these hangers that are on the stock exhaust. We're gonna remove those and transfer them over. Put some WD-40 on them. Just gotta line it up with the new exhaust and install it now. Pretty much it. There's also the clamps you're gonna reuse. They are 15mm on the clamps that hold it in. Alright, so we got the stock exhaust off. Flowmaster NPP exhaust. We're just gonna transfer over the actuators. For the active exhaust, they're 3 8mm. Then we're gonna transfer them over. them in. Flowmasters got the little hardware back here put in. Hangers are on. And the clamps are tight. Now we can drop it and go for a drive. There you have it, Flowmaster's in. Time to start her up, take her for a spin. So install was pretty easy. I did make a little error. I got the 4-valve system when my exhaust only has a 2-valve. However, the valves in the back for the AFM system are open, so it doesn't affect anything, and it's sealed and there's no exhaust leak or whatever. It's a noticeably louder sound. Now it just sounds a lot deeper, more of a full sound rather than like a tin can sound with a stock exhaust had. Install is pretty easy. I took my time. It took me about an hour and a half. If you know what you're doing, going in there, installing it should be pretty easy to get that lower balance off, and the 2 clamps and then the hangers, and you're good. Put in the new exhaust. Very straightforward. Should take about 45 minutes to an hour for somebody who knows what they're doing. If you have the 2-valve system and you get a 4-valve system for cheap, it'll work fine, no problem. I do have a check engine light only for my O2 sensor. I still have to undo my header and reconnect my O2 sensor properly. I think one of the extensions for the O2 sensors on the, I think it's the passenger side, isn't properly connected, so I got to get under there again and reconnect it properly. Other than that, car runs perfect, no issues. Very simple install, and my butt dyno feels a few horses gained out of there. So anyways, if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.